We are in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, and I am with my lovely co-tasters today where we get to try some wonderful foods, some recipes. And Chef Laurent Zarate, thank you.
See you, Christine.
Yeah, always good to see
Yes.
you. And Tomas, great to see you as well.
I hope you're hungry.
I know. I hope
What a tough job.
we're all hungry.
Yes.
And these recipes have been developed by you,
Yes.
Laurent. So that's great. Thank you so much
You're
for
very
doing
welcome.
that. Yeah.
Yes, if it's not good, just blame it on me.
Just blame it
That's
on
fine.
you.
I'm sure it'll be great.
And
We'll see.
you know, this season is all about international cuisine and experiencing, you know, different cultures and how Washington food plays a role in all that. And it's just been so fun to see, you know, where our food ends up, but also, you know, where you can find international flavors
Yes.
in your town.
Yeah, and
you
we
know?
are very lucky here in town to have a Feast World Kitchen.
Yeah.
I think it's a great non-profit restaurant that is run by true international cook, mostly
Absolutely.
refugee. We all eat in our world, right? We try to eat
Absolutely.
at
Yeah.
least once a day.
Yeah.
And food is mostly maybe the only union we have, and it groups and it makes us close together,
Yeah.
right, around the table.
And
It's a great concept, isn't
Right.
it? That I could just go and experience Ethiopian food 1 month, and then I can go to the same place, but now I'm experiencing
Sudanese.
El Salvadorian
Exactly.
Yeah.
or
Yes.
Egyptian.
Yes.
It's just it's so cool.
And
to have
original.
that.
I mean,
Yes.
truly authentic.
Authentic. Yes.
Yeah.
So what are we going to make
Well,
today?
we decided maybe to not do a dessert with cherry. It's a chicken and cherry lettuce wrap.
Ooh, that sounds
Asian
really good.
flavors.
Yeah.
And all together with some crunchy nuts in there.
Oh, I'm
and,
excited
it's
for
gonna
that.
Be good. Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, our team is back in the kitchen right now, putting it together. Let's see how they make it. All right. Well, that looks amazing,
That's good,
and now
huh?
it's
Gorgeous.
here in front of
Very
us.
well presented, but butter
So
lettuce
you eat
is so
this
good.
though, like
Yes, we're gonna
I'm
make
just gonna
a mess.
roll it like
We
a
just
burrito
roll
right
it
here.
and,
The textures are great. Mixing that chicken and the crunch of the nuts and the green onions.
textures is fantastic.
Delicious.
It's good, very crunchy.
And the sauce
It
is something I would expect. It's got that nice Asian tang. It's very good. I want more cherries though. I want more cherries. But
what a fun way though
wow.
to get cherries into a
Yeah.
dish that's not sweet.
Yeah.
Exactly, savory
love that.
dish.
It's good to challenge ourselves, huh? Take something that we typically would think of sweet, like an apple or a cherry, and add it into something a bit more savory.
Nice job.
Thank
That's
you
good.
very much. Good job to the chef in the kitchen at Second Harvest.
Yeah, I love that. I love our cooking team. I think they have fun putting these
They do,
together.
I know.
So if you want to try this recipe, just go to our website at wildgrown.com and give it a try. We'd
You'll
love to
love
hear
it.
about it. Like
Yeah.
if you follow us on social media or something, give us a comment. Let us know.
Delicious.
To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zarate's Asian chicken and cherry lettuce wrap, visit us at wildgrown.com.